Track 17.
Last weekend, I was on holiday in London. I think it's the most exciting city. The roads were very busy and there were a lot of buses and cars. The hotel was near a train station and it was very noisy. You can walk to a shopping centre near the hotel. There were a lot of very expensive clothes shops. There was a big river in the city, the River Thames. There are a lot of bridges over the river. My favourite bridge was Tower Bridge. From the hotel, you can catch a bus to a zoo. We were at the zoo on Saturday. There were a lot of alligators, but there weren't any bears. On Sunday morning, we were at a park. It was very quiet. Then on Sunday afternoon, we were at a famous theatre in the park. There was a very interesting show at the theatre. It was a fantastic holiday. The theatre was my favourite place.